What's good, everybody? I'm back at it with a brand new video, and today we have a package right here in front of me. Boom, you kind of see it, and we're gonna take a look at a brand new pickup. I'm actually pretty excited to see these in hand. This is a recent release. It's a recent release, I guess you could kind of say, because they're gonna be coming out again in like a couple days, in like a week or so. I just pulled the trigger because I know I'm going to take an L on this pair right here when the day comes on the sneakers app. And yeah, I was just like, fuck it, I'm gonna buy it now because I'm gonna take an L. They're finally here and we're gonna take a look. I'm actually pretty excited to take a look at these and see how they look in hand. So enough talking, got my scissors right here. We're gonna open up this box and we're gonna take a look at these bad boys. Now this is one of those pairs where there's a lot of talking going on about this pair right here, because you'll see why. Here's a box. Box is a special box. Boom. You see it, kind of like this yellowish, tannish, yellow, piss yellow type box. Union right there with Jordan hands right there. Then you have blue. Boom. If you know what these are, then you know what these are. You got a Jumpman and Union logo right there. Boom, little 360 action. Got these bad boys in my size. Boom. And then all you do is just take the lid off. Boom. So we're just gonna get straight into this. You do have like this special tissue paper. So it comes with two tissue papers. You got your regular white tissue paper, and then you have this other tissue paper which has a graphic, which is a graphic of Michael Jordan right there. Boom, that's very nice touch. It's like double-sided. Boom, very nice touch. You don't usually see that with sneakers. Then inside the box is just yellow, and yeah. And then taking a look at the shoes. What shoes do we have here? Boom, we have the Jordan 4 Union in this black colorway. I don't know what the official name of this colorway is. I know the other pair is the Guava Ice or whatever, but I'm not really sure what this colorway is. We're just gonna call it the black colorway. Probably one of the most talked shoe right now. A lot of people hate this shoe. A lot of people hate this shoe right here. Me personally, I'm a fan of the colorway. I'll say that. I'm a fan of both colorways. This colorway and then the Guava Ice colorway. What threw people off is the tongue. Now the tongue, as you guys can see, is folded over, so it's not like your regular Jordan 4 tongue. It's like stitched together, folded down, and I feel like that's one of the reasons why a lot of people don't like this, because you know, Jordan 4, one of my favorite silhouettes. We're used to seeing the Jordan 4 tongue a little bit higher up, and when you see it like this, it's different and it just looks weird. Another thing that a lot of people don't like is the wings on the side of the shoe. It's transparent and it's solid. So usually there will be a hole right here, but on the Union, for some reason, they decided to keep it solid on both sides. As you guys can see, there's usually a hole right here, but they decided not to cut it out for some reason. So the colorway of this shoe, whole midsole is kind of like this yellow, old aged, piss yellow type colorway, but I personally think it's kind of dope. You know, it kind of fits with the shoe. The bottom of the shoe, you got that piss yellow color with black pod, and then a blue pod with a pink Nike and a Nike swoosh. Then moving on to the upper, it's black, with this mesh on this toe area, and then on like this toe guard part, it's kind of like this rough suede going around the whole shoe right here. You have white lace holders, or whatever you want to call these, right here. You have white mesh or white netting right here. Looks like a black mesh inside, but then you have the white netting. Then you have this Union LA logo tag right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. You can kind of see it, it's tiny. Right there. Your clear wings right here with pink lace holder on both sides. You have the clear wing with the pink right there. You have black laces on these bad boys, and then obviously your tongue is folded over, but you have that Air Jordan right there. The guts inside is blue. I don't know if you guys can see that. The guts are blue. And then on this upper part of the shoe, you have this blue type mesh going around, as you guys can see, like this bluish type mesh. Your insole is just black with a Jumpman logo and Union logo right there in red. Do have these in my size. And then this, I like this part right here. On the back of the shoe, you obviously have kind of like this pull tab, like, you know, on all your Jordan 4s, and then you have Nike Air logo on the back of the shoe, which Nike Air on a Jordan is always nice, and you have that in red, which is a nice touch. And then obviously you have this Union Jumpman hang tag with the shoe. And these do come with extra laces. The laces are orange, which I believe for the Jordan 1s, they came with the orange laces as well for one of the pairs. Materials on these bad boys, it's definitely fire. You have mesh, you have like kind of like this rough suede. You even have the Nike Air on the back of the Jordan 4. In my opinion, I believe this colorway, it works, you know what I mean? The only problem is that tongue. The tongue and this clear wing. Now, one thing I gotta say about this wing is that it's clear. So obviously over time it's going to start yellowing. So I'm kind of wondering how this shoe would look if the wing logo was like already like yellowed, kind of like this piss yellow type look. I wonder how that would look with this midsole. Would that make it even better? Would it make it worse? I don't even know. What I was thinking about doing is actually cutting this wing out so it would have looked like a regular Jordan 4, but I'm not sure. I don't know if I should cut it out or just leave it as it is, and you know, over time it'll start yellowing and maybe it would even look better. I don't know. What I am definitely going to be doing is making this tongue look normal. So right here there's some stitching right here that you can actually take out, and the tongue will fold over like a regular Jordan 4. Here's like a better look. This yellow stitching right here, you can take that off and then the tongue will fold over and it'll look like a regular Jordan 4 tongue. But yeah guys, let me know what you guys think about this shoe. Do you guys love it? Do you guys hate it? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Like I said, all I gotta do is cut this tongue open, flip it over so it can look like a regular Jordan 4. And I don't know, seeing this in person, this clear wing is not that bad. I don't know. I'm a fan of this colorway. I'm a fan of the other colorway. I am definitely going to try to cop the other colorway. I don't know. I'm just a fan of the Jordan 4s. It's just that tongue. That's the only thing that bothers me about this shoe. It's that tongue that is folded over. I just need it to be a higher tongue. That's it. This clear wings logo, a lot of people don't like it, but it doesn't look that bad in person. And like I said, I wonder how this shoe would look if this clear was already yellowed. I don't know. Let me know what do you guys think about the shoe down in the comments below. I don't know, man. A lot of people hate this shoe. I don't understand why they hate this shoe. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just probably tripping, or I'm just a hypebeast. I don't know, man. Materials, the look of it, the colorway is dope. There's just a little bit of touches here and there that I gotta do, but overall this shoe is definitely very nice in my opinion. I don't know, man. I'm digging these shoes. That's all I gotta say. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new for more videos like this in the future, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.